Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing some Hello Neighbor 2 Alpha 1. This is fairly new, I believe. I played through all of the original Hello Neighbor, and I actually beat the game, and it was on my PlayStation 4. So, let's play. Cutscene? Yep. Simming. Probably. Yep. Simming. Oh wait, the neighbor's simming now? Wait, is that the neighbor in there? Wait. Mr. Bird locked up the neighbor. I think. Wait, no. Aw, not that. Why? Don't cook the key. Keys are not edible. You can't cook a key. Can I come in? What? Oh, what was that? Of course, there's a gate to get upstairs. You can't get anything easily in these kind of games. Just kitchen, anything in here? No. Fire extinguisher? Could I use that? No. That is not a shower thing, but okay. So how am I gonna get up there? How? That just... How am I supposed to get up there? Is there like boxes that oh, maybe the fridge? Ah, crap. You probably can't get up there. Yeah, I don't think you can. I'll try one more time though. Oh, you can? Oh! Oh, yes. Oh, I just saw him. Hey, I'm not here. Don't mind me. I'm not here. I do not exist. Can't fit through the window? You too fat? Oh yeah? How do you feel about this? Can you leave, please? You are making a very weird sound. Why are you carrying garbage? Hello? Please leave. Wait, what's that? Wait, what did I just take? Flashlight? Oh, nope, don't mind me. Come on, you were about to leave. Leave, get out of here. Get out of here. No one there. No one wants you here. Go. I'm just going for it. I'm going. Oh, that was a bad idea. And he yeeted me. Can I come back up? Jeez, how did you get downstairs so fast? Oh my goodness. He just like teleported downstairs. That is glitching. Oh, I'm going through the earth. That's nice. I'm not gonna complain. This is Alpha 1. I don't expect it to be very good, bug-wise. I'm not here. Are you all... How are you already up here, bro? Shut that behind me. Can I, like, look through this like you used to be able to? No? Oh, that's where the key is. Okay, I think he's having some technical difficulties, so I'm gonna take this to my advantage and try everything. Oh, never mind. I heard the music. Wait. Oh, I can hide behind here. That's what that was. Sir, do you have my fire extinguisher? I saw you squirt it down there. Okay then. Not gonna answer me, rude. Wait, what? What? You're supposed to be glitched. That's illegal. Will you please stop yeeting me? It does not feel good. Hey, I'm out of your property. Stop chasing me. Ooh, here's a car. Can I just leave? Oh, that's the car I was in, I think. Can I just leave, please? Can I just leave? Oh, I can't leave. What's this? Camera. What? Oh, is this like a portable CCTV set? Can I like... Oh! Oh, wait. Jeez, my character is fat. Jeez. I thought I was playing from the guy you play as, in Hello Neighbor 1. No, this guy's fat. What is this kid doing here? I understand why I can't drive now. Okay, I'm gonna set up, I know where I'm gonna set up the CCTV set. Like nanny cam or something. Whatever you want to call it. Hey, you. I see you. You glitched? Oh, nope. You're yeeting stuff at me again. This is hard. How the heck am I supposed to put it out? I need a flame extinguisher, or fire extinguisher. I can't talk. What's this? This looks like the power supply from Hello Neighbor 1. Stuff is back here. Ooh, can I like get up here? Can I like walk up this and then jump onto it? Yes! Yes, this is probably where I have to go. Is this a fire extinguisher? Can I fill it up with water and then... Ooh, fire extinguisher. Please? No. Oh. Fire extinguisher in here? No, I need to... Maybe I can take... Wait, where did it go? Did I drop it? I am hoping I can fill this up with water at that shower. That will be awesome if I can. Does it work? Fill up with water? Eh? Water? No? No water? No water? Oh, that's sad. I just heard a... Can I fill it up with a sink? Nope, it's broken. Of course it is. What? Did you open the door? You open? Please? No? Okay then. Is there any other source of water or anything? Whoa. Yeet. I know what to do. That didn't work. Wait, is it already filled? No. Leave me alone. 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 Please leave me alone. No. That's the area I was in before. Get jebaited. Aw. I can't jebait him. Did you just... Why am I back in here again? Why? Why am I back in there? That makes no sense at all. Is there a fire extinguisher anywhere, please? Can I drive that? Is there gonna be anything in the trunk? Trunk? Oh no, I guess not. Wait, I haven't tried going around here. What's in here? Oh, that. Hello, buddy. Don't mind me. This fridge is really helpful. Thank you for existing, fridge. Ooh, there's a door there. Yeet. Can I grab it? Oh, yeah, that burns my hand. Of course it does. Wait, it didn't let me into that locker. I think that was a locker at least. Let me free, please? 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 Oh, wait, what did I just land on? Did I just... Okay, then. Come on, I think I know what to do now. Come on, come on. Do I gotta, like... this thing, because it has water, maybe? Into there? Onto there? Onto this tractor machine? No! Wait, please, go on. Go in. Hello, sir? Do you have a fire extinguisher? Do you still got it? I mean, I really need it. Okay, wait. Give me it? Give me it? Oh. Hey. What? No, no, what? That's not fair. No! Okay, I think that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. There's been lots of views, but not a lot of likes, so please make sure to like the videos. And also comment down below what you want me to play next, because I'm running out of ideas. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.